Hi guys, and welcome to our video for today, the 24th of August 2026. So looking at the stock SDOT, Sadot Group. This stock is currently up a lot in the pre-market. It's currently up around 75%, carrying on from last week. So if it goes to the 4-hour time frame, you see this one was pumping up last week as well on the 21st of August as well. And yeah, we're now on the 24th and continuing forward. So I'm going to look at the 5-minute time frame on this one for some day trades, see what we need to find a day trade in this one. And then we're going to look at the 4-hour time frame to see what we need to hold the stock overnight into tomorrow for some further gains. And then we're going to look at the daily time frame to look for some potential swing trades in this one. Excuse me. So let's make a start then. So we start off by looking at the 5-minute time frame for some day trades. So quite clearly here, and by the way guys, if you want to add your resistances, same as mine, you've got 15, 20, 25, 30 and 40. So again, psychological numbers, always the best ones to go off. So right then, so we've got the 5-minute time frame here. We can see clear resistance here building up against 25, and I can see a clear falling wedge pattern with at least 3 touches. Percent of the wedge from a churn of consolidation on this looks very good, and we're consolidating between 20 and 25, and until we break over 25 we're not going to continue up obviously, and if we do break 20 we're going to probably gap down a bit towards 15 area, 16, 15. So basically I'd look to enter this with the 1 minute green candle close over 25 for a day trade, or a 2-3% push over 25 for a day trade. Apologies for my throat today. And I'd look for a 10% first target and 10% stop loss for my entry point. And that's simple, guys. Basically, it's falling wedge against the 1-day resistance and breaking the Bollinger Band top, and also above the moving averages of the Bollinger Band center and ATMA. And when these navy lines here, this navy line here at the top and this navy line here at the bottom, 95% of the price action takes place in these navy lines. So if you spend 95% of your life somewhere in a bullish way, obviously if we're going up, which in terms of price action and direction, if you spend 95% of your life somewhere, we break the band of where we live 95% in a bullish way, then you're going to be super ecstatic, super excited, and can't believe you spend 95% of your life somewhere, and then you're going to be all euphoric, aren't you? You know, and that's the same with breaking the Bollinger Band top, and therefore it catalyzes into the first target. Adverse effect, though, you know, it's not all sweet. If you do lose the Bollinger Band bottom, you can explode and think, why the hell did I leave my 95% of price action comfort, and then come all the way back down to 20 and potentially 16, etc. So yeah, over 25 on this one looks good. However, if we were to lose, if we lose 15, we're done on this one, in my opinion. So look to cut it. But if we lose 20, I wouldn't look to hold it anyway as well. I'd just look for a re-entry over 25. So in my opinion, beneath 20, this stock is done in the short term. And then beneath 15, I think it's done for the medium term as well. So let's go to 4-hour time frame. Excuse me. Yeah, cough and sneeze. Good start to the day. So okay, let's go and carry on. So 4-hour green candle close over 25 on this one. We'll see us continue towards 30 for around a plus, what's that, 15% first target for a short-term swing trade. I think we'll get some good opportunities in the daily time frame, to be honest. But yeah, currently just a 4-hour green candle close over the 20-year level and 200 simple moving average. And next we'll be waiting for a 4-hour green candle close over 25 to continue towards 30 on this one. Like I said, I think the daily will offer us more. And again, if we lose 20 on this one, I think we're coming back down to 15. So beneath 20, I wouldn't want to be in it. If my entry was around here, I wouldn't want to be in this beneath 20, you know. I'd look to quit it. So let's go to daily time frame. So I wouldn't look to hold this overnight. I wouldn't hold this overnight until we get a 4-hour green candle close over 25. However, the daily looks really good. If we get a daily green candle close over 25, I think we're coming towards 35 for death cross retest, the 200 simple moving average. And there's a chance we do wick above it in towards the next horizontal resistance of 40. And also it's technical breakout. It's not just a pump and dump. So it's a falling wedge breakout. I mean, that's because it's carried on from Friday, hasn't it? So this is the daily time frame. It's a falling wedge breakout against basically most moving averages, because it's 200 MA and 200 EMA all the way up here. So it's kind of a write-off. But yeah, we did reclaim the Bollinger Band center on the daily, so we're now 65% more likely to remain above this 12.3 area. What the Bollinger Band center is. So you can write that down. Bollinger Band center, when we're above it, we're 65% more likely to remain above it. So you can add it to your chart, etc. So yeah, I mean the daily green candle close over. To be honest, I think this one's good for continuation tomorrow. I think daily green candle close over 20, and we're at above 20 now. We should see us continue towards 30. And a daily green candle close over 25, we should continue towards 35. So there's two ways. So obviously we've done the day trading aspect, 10% target, breaking over 25. But daily green candle close over 20, I think we should continue up towards 30 which is around a 40% sort of target. And again, my stop loss, if that were to happen, would be I'd go 30%. So I'd go 30% stop loss just beneath this 15 area and beneath the Bollinger Band Center. So around 30% stop loss. However, though, if that is too quick for us and it doesn't happen because the stock just pumps up, a daily green candle close over 25, we should go and hit this 200 simple moving average for a death cross retest for around a 35-40% first target. And if we were to get filled around there, I'll just make sure my stop loss matches, to be honest. I think I'll just do 30% stop loss on that one for both of them, to be honest. And yeah, I think that's good, guys. And again, if we get a daily green candle close over 30 and it just pumps up, we should hit 40 anyway. But yeah, there's two ways to go about this in the daily time frame, as I explained. So write those two ways down. The daily green candle close over 20 sees us hit 30. And the daily green candle close over 25 sees us hit 35, to be honest. For death cross retest of 200 simple moving average. So if you'd like to learn more about these strategies like the falling wedge and the moving averages, check us out. Link in the video description and Twitter bio for my seminar packages. And yeah, I'll be looking forward to tweeting some charts out today and seeing what the market has for us. So thanks, guys, and catch you all later.